In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Vercel domain name. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your Vercel dashboard. You should see a list of your projects here. Make sure you're working in the right team or personal account so you're editing the intended project. Find the project whose domain you want to change. On the project card or row, look for the three dots menu. This menu reveals quick actions that aren't visible at first glance. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific project. From the menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the configuration area for your project, where you can manage everything from builds to domains. We're focusing on domains today, so keep an eye on the left-hand navigation. In the sidebar, click Domains. The Domains section lists every domain currently attached to this project, including any .vercel DAP URL and any custom domains you've added. You'll also see which one is set as the primary domain, meaning the main address visitors are directed to. Now select the domain you want to update and click Edit. This is where you can adjust the domain details. Depending on your setup, that might mean changing the default .vercel.app subdomain, switching which domain is primary, or updating a mapped custom domain. If you're using a custom domain, remember that actual ownership and DNS still live with your registrar. The edit here tells Vercel which domain to serve for this project. Go ahead and make your change. Keep it clear and consistent with your brand or naming conventions. If you're replacing a domain, double-check spelling and make sure it's the exact domain you intend to use, including the correct subdomain if applicable. If the new domain is already attached elsewhere, you'll need to resolve that before this project can claim it. When you're satisfied, click Save. Vercel will apply the change and, if needed, provision SSL for the updated domain automatically. This usually happens quickly. In many cases, the update is seamless, but allow a short window for things like SSL and DNS to settle, especially if a custom domain is involved. You'll typically see the domain reflect in the domains list right away, and traffic will route based on the new configuration. That's it. You've navigated to your project, opened settings, gone into domains, edited the domain, made your change, and saved it. If something doesn't look right after a moment, revisit the domains page to confirm the current primary domain and ensure everything matches your intended setup.